Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common problem that Ubuntu server users might encounter when running VirtualBox on a Windows 10 host. The issue lies in the bidirectional drag, in, drop, and clipboard functionalities between the host and guest systems. More specifically, when trying to copy into the guest, nothing seems to happen, and an error message pops up mentioning that drag and drop to the guest is not possible. This could be due to the absence of support for these features in the CLI-only guest environment. Now, let's delve into the solution for this clipboard and drag in drop dilemma. The key lies in understanding that the concept of clipboard is primarily tailored for graphical environments like X11. In Linux console environments, such mechanisms are not readily available. VirtualBox's guest editions are designed to synchronize the X11 provided clipboard with the host's, which can explain why these functionalities might not work smoothly in a CLI-only setup. This discrepancy highlights the complexity of implementing similar features outside of X11, which would require additional software or a different approach altogether. In summary, the absence of a graphical environment in your Ubuntu server guest running on VirtualBox can indeed pose challenges for clipboard in drag and drop functionalities. The solution revolves around the limitations of these features in CLI-only environments and the dependency on X11 operations for smooth integration. If you're facing similar issues, consider the platform differences and the underlying mechanisms at play. Well, that's all for today, folks. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a bit of command line humor can always make the tech troubleshooting journey more enjoyable. Thanks for watching.